Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the another module from Crayons to Curiosity. And today we are diving something truly valuable, which is emotional intelligence in young children. So now we often hear the term emotional intelligence, but what does actually it means? Especially for our little ones. Well, emotional intelligence or manage and express emotions in a healthy way. So as well as recognize and respond to the emotions of others. In simple way, it is a foundation for empathy, resilience, and social skills. So why emotional intelligence is so important for your children? So let's just understand in another way, because it's not just about handling emotions, it's also building healthy relationships, feeling confident, and even succeeding in school. So today I'll walk you through why emotional intelligence matters in early years and the core components of emotional intelligence. So some simple ways to nurture it through play and everyday interaction. Okay, so it is very important for you to understand why this matters. So let's just take an example, and understand why emotional intelligence is so important. Developing these in early years help children from strong relationship, manage challenges, and feel good about themselves. Children with strong emotional intelligence are better equipped to handle conflicts, express themselves, and build meaningful friendships. So, emotional intelligence big role in self-regulations, the ability to manage one's emotions. Imagine a toddler who learns to calm down instead of throwing a tantrums every time they feel frustrated, right? And this self-regulation skill is a huge win for parents and kids. It is building block of resilience, help them cope with the big feelings as they grow big. Now, finally, emotional intelligence even supports academic success. Study shows that children who are emotionally aware can manage their emotions, tend to focus better, and interact positively with teachers and classmates. So, building emotional intelligence early on can truly impact your child's ability to thrive both socially and academically. Now, there are the key components of emotional intelligence for young children. Now, let's just look at the first, four keys component for emotional intelligence, स्पेशली फॉर योर यंग चिल्ड्रंस. आप देखो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, राइट? ये एक ऐसी एबिलिटी होती है टू रिकॉग्नाइज द नेम्स ऑफ वंस इमोशंस, राइट? जितना भी छोटा है, इवन वेरी यंग चिल्ड्रन कैन बिगिन टू अंडरस्टैंड फीलिंग्स. उसको पता है कि हैप्पीनेस क्या है, सैडनेस क्या है, एंड फ्रस्ट्रेशंस क्या है. करेक्ट. सेल्फ रेगुलेशन, दिस इज अ लर्निंग टू मैनेज इमोशन स्पेशली व्हेन थिंग्स डोंट गो देयर वे. सो सेल्फ रेगुलेशन हेल्प करता है बच्चों को टू लर्न and it is okay to feel strong emotions but to handle in a positive way. Empathy, जो कि बहुत जरूरी है, बच्चों को पता होनी चाहिए कि वो क्या है, because it is the understanding of others, right? उनकी feelings आप समझ सकते हो, they can be a better listener, right? It help करता है बच्चों को to build relationship and to be considerate. Now, social skills, right? These skills, it's like sharing and taking turns and making friends. Social skill allow करता है बच्चों को to navigate through social interaction very smoothly. So each of these components, जितने भी ये सारी चीजें हैं, ये simple daily interaction से, play से, modeling से, caregivers से, ये आप सब दे सकते हो. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि आपको कोई स्पेशल इक्विपमेंट या टॉय खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है ये सारी चीजें बिल्ड करने के लिए, राइट? सो एक्टिविटी मैंने दे दिया है, आप गो थ्रू इट इन द लिंक, एंड अभी के लिए सुन लीजिए कि आपको करना क्या है. इमोशंस नेमिंग विथ फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन आप कर सकते हैं. पहला एक्टिविटी का नाम ही है मेरा इमोशन नेमिंग. एक बहुत ही सिंपल है साउंड करने में, मगर बहुत पावरफुल है, राइट? इससे आपका बच्चे को रिकॉग्नाइज होता है, वो लेबल करता है इमोशंस को. लेट्स से you make a facial expressions in front of child, and I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm surprised, I'm frustrated, right? And ask your child to guess the emotion that you're showing, right? And let them try to make the faces too. So this activity will allow them to help them identify the emotions. When they recognize emotions on faces, it is easier to them to understand these emotions within themselves, right? So you can label the emotions clearly by saying, this is a happy face or this is a sad face. And encourage them to use these words expressing their feelings, that mama, I'm sad today. Mama, I am happy today. Stuff like that. Second is story time with feeling. Now, our next activity is super powerful because it's story time with feelings. Now, you're not just reading the book in front of child, right? You're taking a moment to pause when the character shows emotion and ask questions. So, what do you think that they feel? Now, there is a book which I highly recommend to parents is Lion Inside. मैं इसका लिंक भी दे दूंगी इस बुक में. So उसमें क्या है, जब एक चूहा एक शेर के पास जाता है तो एक शेर सो रहा होता है, राइट, और एकदम से जैसे वो देखता है तो देयर इज अ लाइन दैट कम्स इन द बुक. दैट मीन्स वो वाला फीलिंग दैट एकदम से निकलता है. हमने बहुत सारे कार्टून में भी सुना होगा. मैं जब अगस्त्य को ये स्टोरी सुनाती थी तो मैं ऐसा करती थी, और आज जब वो मेरे को स्टोरी सुनाता है कभी कभी पढ़ के, या फिर वो बुक का पेज देखता है तो वो मेरे को सेम करके दिखाता है. सो ऐसा आप अपने बच्चे के साथ कर सकते हैं. सो दिस एक्सरसाइज विल हेल्प द चिल्ड्रन इमेजिन how others feel and teach empathy. How you can do that, and they will also think about the character's feeling, and they will start practicing relating to others and understanding the different emotions. सो चूज करें बुक्स विद एक्सप्रेसिव इलिटरेशन. इस बात पे मैं आपको 5 से 6 बुक्स हैं जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, लिंक्स उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी. खरीदिए, अपने बच्चे के साथ डेली यूज करिए, एंड इट विल अगेन बी अ बूम. So now the third is calm down technique. Our third activity is teaching calm down techniques. Now teaching your child ways to calm down when they're upset is a great way to build self-regulations. आप उससे show कर सकते हैं simple techniques like taking deep breaths, counting to fives, and giving themselves a big hug. Right? So by crossing their arms and squeezing. Now little tools जो हैं आपको सुनने में बहुत easy लग रहा है, but give this to your children in a practical way to manage their emotions, especially when they are feeling overwhelmed or frustrated. So, practicing these techniques during calm moments will help them to be comfortable, and they can use it when they're upset. And remember to praise your child, not to overpraise, but to praise when they're trying to calm down. ये उनको reinforce करेगा and बताएगा that it is okay to have this big feeling, and in a wonderful way to, and they can manage it really well. And play करो that I feel and visual aid. So, एक एक्शन सॉन्ग है, इफ यू हैप्पी एंड यू नो इट क्लैप योर हैंड्स. इसमें आप एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर सकते हैं आई फील से. सो आई फील हैप्पी, आई फील सैड, I feel scared. Ask your child to point out the card and matches how you're feeling, or maybe you can do the emotions and he will guess what emotion is it all about. Using this to, they can differentiate between the emotions, and, they can pay attention and emotions and empathy as well. So this will help your child to put up their feelings. So which is the big step towards self-awareness. Now, once they can label their feelings, they are able to express them to you, and they can understand what exactly they are feeling, right? So the tips for encouraging emotional intelligence daily. Now we have talked about the activity. Let's just look about the natural way आप कैसे इसको build कर सकते हो. पहला है model करो emotional responses. Now children बहुत ज्यादा learn करते हैं हमें देख के, by watching us. So show them in a healthy way to respond the emotions. If you're feeling frustrated, you might say, I feel frustrated. I'm going to take a deep breath now. Modeling emotion is the way that you can teach your child in a way that it is okay to have a big feeling, and there are positive and negative ways, but be positive and get onto the way to manage them. Acknowledge and validate emotions, right? When you teach your child, sad, mad, or happy, acknowledge karo. Say things like, it's okay to feel upset. Let's talk about it, right? Let's just let them know that emotions are normal and they are safe to express them. Celebrate करना सीखो हर एक छोटी steps पे, correct? So उससे उनको और पता लगेगा कि उन्हें क्या करना है, and वो आगे से उनको मदद मिलेगी, right? So this is the biggest way that you can calm your child to be really active. I'm really sorry. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so where I was. So I was discussing more about, the things that you can do to your babies for emotional intelligence. Now, I guess, these are the great ways how to calm down. And I think the positive reinforcement helps them to feel proud and encourage them to keep trying. Now, as we wrap up today's session, I hope you are feeling inspired to try these strategies. बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा, क्योंकि ये पूरा का पूरा मॉड्यूल्स, कोर्सेज, सारी की सारी चीजें तभी काम करेंगी और आप अपने बच्चे को 10x तभी तक ले जाएंगे जब आप ट्राई करेंगे. एक्टिविटीज अपने होम पे जरूर करिएगा. रिमेंबर, बिकॉज यू आर डेवलपिंग इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, जो कि एक ग्रेजुअल प्रोसेस है, इंस्टेंट नहीं आएगा, बट स्मॉल इंटरेक्शन कैन मेक अ बिग डिफरेंस. सो बाय टीचिंग योर चिल्ड्रन टू रिकॉग्नाइज, एक्सप्रेस एंड मैनेज इमोशंस, यू आर सेटिंग देम for a lifelong, for a healthy relationship and resilience, right? So your homework is pick up one of the activities, naming, calm down technique, or whichever you like, right? Try this out with your child, record it, send it to us, ऑब्जर्व करो कैसा वो रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, सेलिब्रेट करो हर एक मोमेंट जो आप अपने बच्चे के साथ करते हो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू बीइंग हियर ऑन द सेशन ऑफ इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस इन योर early childhood, and I will look forward to see you in the next module. Bye bye.